Okay. So good morning everyone and welcome back to your biology class, and this is your first biology practical class, right? And you can see that I am taking your class from your biology lab. So those who are old, they are aware of their biology class, and those who are new, so this is your biology class of your school. Okay. That means biology room, not class. Okay, so one day I will take you the room tour of our biology room. Okay, so you will be able to know that what are the things that are there in your biology lab. So as this is the first class, today I will be telling you some rules about your biology lab. After that we will be proceeding to the syllabus or whatever is needed. I will be telling everything one by one. Okay. I have seen that you are saying that you can't see the board properly as it is quite far. So, whenever I will be writing something on the board, I will manage the camera. Okay, but can you hear me properly? Or can you see me properly, na? Okay, very good. So, as this is your first biology practical class, so let me tell you about some rules of your biology laboratory. So, rule number 1 is whenever you will be entering into your biology lab, you need to wear your apron. It will be white colored. Okay, so first rule is that you need to buy a apron. I think this apron will be required not only for the biology but also for the physics, chemistry, all the practical classes. Okay, so if you buy one apron, then it will be used for each and every practical, right? So everyone, please keep it in your mind that you need to buy a white colored apron for your biology lab. So without apron, I will not allow you to enter into your lab. So now you are not coming to your school, so I will be conducting your classes online. But let's see what happens after Puja vacation, as our Chief Minister has told us that after Puja vacation schools may reopen. We don't know. Okay, as you are asking me about this matter also, that when we will be coming to your school and you will be checking all the practicals, but as you know that we can't do anything because it is all, everything is under the control of our ministers, right? So we need to wait for the proper notice provided by them. So if they give us the permission, that means when they will give us the permission to reopen the school, immediately our school will get reopened. Okay, so up to that you need to wait. Clear? So first we will be checking all the practical through the online classes which I will be taking from your lab. So please check the routine when you are getting biology or physics, chemistry, whatever it is practical classes, try to attend the class. Don't miss the class because we will be showing all the practicals through your online classes, so that if you don't be able to come to your school but you need to appear for your examination, right? So that time you can come to your school. If it is from your school, then you need to come, then you have to perform all the practicals. But if you don't know how to do your practicals, then you may face problem, your marks will get deducted. That is why I am telling you, and not only telling you, I am requesting you, all of you, please join the everyday practical class. Okay. Anywhere, not from the school. It is not mandatory that I think from the school you will not be able to buy it. You need to buy it from any, I think any medical shop, from where you can get this one. Okay, tell your parents, I think they can get it very easily from the market of our Bardwan. Maybe from this type of shops where different medical instruments we can get, from this type of shops you can get it. Okay, so this apron is not needed right now as you are not coming to your school right now, but when you will get the information of the reopening the school, after that, before coming the school, please buy it. Okay, because it is not safe to enter any practical lab, because you know that any incident may happen, right? You will be working with different type of the chemicals, so you know that how to handle all this. So apron will protect you from directly touch from all those harmful substances. Clear? And it will keep you safe also. So it is totally for your safety. So that is the reason that I will not be able to allow into the laboratory without the apron. If you don't wear apron, then I will not be able to allow it to enter. And for your exam day, it is mandatory. It is mandatory. Okay, so this is the first rule of your laboratory. Now the second thing, you need to buy one more thing, that is the biology practical box. I will be showing what is biology practical box, what are the different instruments should be there in the biology box. Okay, so whenever you will be going to buy any biology box, that time please check that all those instruments are there. Okay, before buying it, please check that all those instruments are there. Clear? So I will be showing you, and you will be knowing that what are the different topics are there in your syllabus. But they didn't mention about the biology box. But at the beginning of your practical copy, you have to write down about your biology box. So I will be telling about all those instruments, their uses, and how you need to write it in your practical copy. Okay, before that, let me tell you some other things. After that, we will be entering into all those parts. So first rule of your biology laboratory is wearing of the apron, and the second rule is the bringing of the biology practical box. It is also must. Okay, you have to bring every day your biology practical box. Now third thing is, you have to come with your laboratory book, okay, which you have to buy from your school only. No other accepted, no other copies which can be brought from the outside will not be accepted. Okay, so no other copies will be accepted. Keep that in your mind. Okay, so let me show you what type of copy you should buy for your biology practical. The copy type of the copies may be also different for your different practicals. Like for physics, for chemistry, they may tell you that they are having different copies, so ask them about their. But for biology, you need to buy from your school two threaded copy. Let me show you how it looks. So this type of copy you have to buy. You can see, let me show you one more. You can see the thread one, right? This one. So this type of clear? This type of threaded practical copy you need to take from your school, and two threaded copies are required for your biology part. Two copies will be required for your biology part. Why? Because one for practical and another one is for your project. Clear? So you may think, maybe you are thinking that your copies doesn't look similar with that one. I don't know, because I didn't check this year's copy. So this covering may be different from, because this is the previous year's copy. Okay, so don't get confused if you get different type of the logo or different images. So don't get confused, because whatever you will be getting from your school, they will provide you the right one. But it is mandatory that you need to buy your practical copy and project copy from the school, both thread plus these pages also. Okay, if you think that you will buy the pages from the outside, this one will not be accepted, because in the pages also you can find that there is a label of your school. You can see that Bardwan Model School is written here. So I will check that it is brought from the school or not, because for your board examination these are the rules you need to follow. So you are class 11, after 1 year you will be appearing for your board examination, so you need to practice this habit from right now. Clear? So I am repeating this part, that you need to buy 2 threaded practical copies from your school, which is available in your school, and you need to buy the pages also. And one more thing you need to buy, that is this type of index page. You can see that there is an index page. So you need to fill this index page after completing all the practicals. So please check it whenever you are buying this practical copy, that index page is there or not, because index is also mandatory. Okay, and whenever you will be getting this index page, make us some Xerox copy of this page. Why? Because you are having many practicals, so it may be like this, that all the practicals are not be included in a single page. So before writing anything, if you keep some Xerox copy, then it will be better for you. Okay, that is why, because that time you no need of buying again and again if you do this one. Clear? Okay, now let me check what you have asked. Why do you need the picture? No need. You can come to your school and you can buy it directly. They will provide you right one. Just ask for the threaded one. Okay, that's it. The color is lighter than this. Okay, I have told you na, the color, the logo type may change, because this one is the previous year's copy. This is not present. Okay, then if you didn't get index page, so next time whenever you will be coming to your school, please take this index page from the school. Okay, because you need to attach. Without index page, how will I know that which practicals you have written? Okay, because in the index page also the sign is, my sign will be mandatory. Without sign there will be no meaning of submitting of your copy. So index page is must. Then it is your problem na, so I can't help you in this case. So one suggestion I can give you, you can rejoin the call. Sometimes your problems may get resolved. Okay, those who have got the index page, very good. Those who didn't, then for them I have told you that whenever next time you will be coming, that time you can take it. No issues, nothing to worry. White one, you can ask for that, give me a apron which is needed for our school. They will give you the white shirt type of thing, that one will be okay. No hard and fast rule for that. No, this one is not the index, this is the certificate. This is also important, but not right now. Certificates may also provide, may be provided by me also. Okay, so don't think about the certificate. This is the certificate you need to attach before the page of the index. In both the copies the certificate page is not there, that is why I am not able to show you right now, but that is important before the examination. If it is needed, I will be telling you that how you need to fill the certificate, or I may write down all the information and there I may get a sign from our sir and I may provide you. Okay, so this information I will be providing you later on. Nothing to worry, just focus on the index page, because index is important right now, because I will be signing on the index page. Yes, this page is also okay. This in type of index page is also okay. Opposite of the index page means? Ma'am, but in the opposite. Oh, got it, got it. In the first page is the certificate page. In the opposite, you are having index page. Okay. Maybe for this year they have done like this, but previously it was separate. So nothing to worry. In the certificate page, you can write down name, your name, roll number, the basic information what is there. You can write it down, and after that you can write the heading of all the practicals one by one in the index page, but don't write right now. Okay, I will be telling the sequence of your index page and you need to follow the sequence. Clear? After showing all the practicals, I will be telling you the sequence and date. According to that, you need to write it down. Clear, everyone? Got it right now? Okay, very good, very good. So, now next thing, first rule, what was the, now let me repeat all the rules of your biology laboratory. First rule is the apron, second is the biology box, third one is the biology copies, okay. Fourth one is the, that let me tell you about the book from where you will be writing all the practicals. Yes, you need to buy. Now, you are thinking that, ma'am, from where we will be writing? So, this is the book. I am going to tell you the name. From the book, you need to write down all the practicals which I will be showing. So, for biology, you need to buy this book. You need to buy this book. What is the name of the book? Comprehensive Laboratory Manual in Biology. Comprehensive Laboratory Manual in Biology. Let me repeat, what is the name of your biology practical book? Comprehensive Laboratory in Biology, and no, not from the school, from outside. And its publication is Lakshmi Publications Limited. Lakshmi Publication. I will be not sharing the image of the book. I will be sharing the name and writer's name and the publication name in the chat box. Okay. So this is the name. Let me show you. So this is the name of the book, and this is the name. What is the name? Comprehensive Biolaboratory Manual in Biology, and you can see in another chapter it is written Lakshmi Publication Limited. Okay, you can buy it from anywhere. Clear? It's clear or not? Please let me know. Okay, very good. Now, you will be buying all those, this particular book, not those. Maybe those, because your chemistry and physics teacher may also provide you some books from where you need to write. So, whenever you will be going to market, buy all those. Okay. So, in this book, so you will be buying this book from the market, and after getting the book, don't start writing whatever is written in the book. I will be telling you what are those practicals which are there in your revised syllabus, particularly in the term 1. Okay, and I will be telling you what are those points you need to write down for a particular practical, because in the book there may be many things written in the book, but no need of writing all the things whatever is in the book. When I will be showing one practical, on that day I will be telling, yes, these are the things, you need to write it down, you will mark it in your book, and after that you will be writing it in your copy. Clear? Please please let me know if it is clear or not, or if you are having any confusion related to the book, you can ask me. No, I think no. I don't know. Again, I am telling you, whenever you will be going to buy this book, the front page may look different, because every year they are updating. So don't get confused. Just check the name of the book and the publication. I don't know what cover page is there in the revised book. Okay. What is the used of apron here, Sarmishta? When will you start writing? After whenever I will be teaching you any practical, after that. If I give you any practical or show you any practical, so I will be telling you that please write it down in your copy. So the next day you will be writing. Clear? It will keep you safe. I can give you only one answer. It will keep you safe from different type of the substances, harmful substances or the chemicals. Okay. It will protect you from any type of bad incident or damage or injury, whatever it is. It will protect you from everything. Clear? That is the use. Now no need of telling it, because whenever you will be coming, you will getting to know by your own that what is the use of that, because whenever you will be using the iodine, so most of the students what they will do, you will be facing it. No need of telling it. Okay. Told you na, I don't know. We are not having any idea about the reopening the school. So when our chief minister will give us the proper information, give us the permission to all the schools, that time also our school also will reopen. If it is like previous year, then it will be doing whatever they will be giving us the proper information, we will be just following and we will be letting you know. So keep patience. Yes, 2. The practicals what are in your syllabus, in your term 1 syllabus. Okay. Anything else? I will be telling how you need to fill the index page. In the index page, you need to mention the starting of the practical in short. Okay, I will be telling that what will be the sequence, how you can write. So don't fill the index page right now. After finishing all the practicals, I will be telling you one by one how you need to write your index page. Okay. Yes, beta, we are also not aware of this fact. Told you na that it is not in our hand. You know that we need to follow some rules. So when they will provide us the permission, that time your school will reopen, but not right now. So we also don't know what will happen in your term 1. Okay, because till now up to the puja vacation we are not having any permission of the reopening school, and we don't know what will be the situation of the after the puja vacation. Okay, because you know that the third wave of the COVID has been entered already. So we are not aware what will be the situation after 1.5 months. So only one way is there. We need to wait, we need to keep our patience. So if you are from outside from the Bardwan, then you will get the notice and you will get proper time so that you can manage something for and by which you can come to your school properly. Okay, nothing to worry. Not from the market, only from the school. Laboratory book you need to buy from the school, and the apron and the practical box you can buy from anywhere. Yes, I will be repeating about all the details of the biology practical box. Okay, please wait, I will be telling. Anything else? I didn't tell much about the biology practical box because I will be showing all the instruments which are there in your biology practical box. Anything else? So many queries you are having, I can see. Very good. Now, it is not like that there is any name written on the biology blocks. Okay, so I will be telling you how you need to check that whether it is appropriate or not. Okay, you can check and you can buy. No problem you will be facing. Please keep faith on me. Let me show you the biology box, then you will get each and every idea. Why you are worrying so much? We are here, na? Okay, now the most important part I am going to tell you about the syllabus. What are the topics that are there in your term 1 syllabus, and after that I will be showing you the practical box. Okay, now let me tell you. Just a minute, okay? So look, as you know that in your term 1, according to your now new exam pattern, it has been divided into 2 parts, 15-15. That means 30 marks is divided into 2 terms, term 1 and term 2, and each term will be carrying 15 marks. So what are the different topics will be in your term 1? I am going to tell you. So first one from the part A, you will be getting one major experiment, that is experiment number 1. So before that let me tell you that one day I will be showing you a type of your examination copy. Okay, that time you will be getting a rough idea. So today just listen carefully, one day I will be showing you. So first one is the one major practical, which will be carrying 4 marks. And as you know that major, so it will carry more marks than the minor practical. So the second practical is the one minor practical, which will be carrying 3 marks. So 4 marks for one major practical, 3 marks for one minor practical. And after that, in the part B, you will be getting 3 spotting. That means 3 spots of 1 mark each. They have mentioned that for one spotting, you will be getting 1 marks, and you need to find out 3. How? When? Why? Many questions are coming in your mind. So I will be telling that what is spotting, how you can write it down. Okay, look, I have told you na, that these questions are coming in your mind. I can read your mind. Okay, so what is spotting? Spotting is like this, that there are different specimens. So I will be showing you the specimens, but at the time of your examination, I will be providing you the specimen without the labeling. You need to find out, yes, this is the specimen of A, this is the specimen of B, like this. Okay, you need to find out their characteristics. So first you need to write the characteristics, and after that you need to write that hence the given specimen is dash. that means whatever it is. So that is the spotting. You need to find out what is there and what is its main characteristics, and you need to draw a label diagram of that. So for 1 mark you need to do all these things. Okay, so you will be getting 3 spottings, and 3 into 1 3, and at last 1 practical record, 1 investigatory project record plus viva, and total marks will be 15. 4 3 3 5, total mark is 15. Now let me tell you about the topics. What topics will be coming under the major experiment, minor experiment and the spotting. So first, in the term 1, first practical is there. Its name is study and describe a locally available common flowering plant from any one family. Solanaceae or Liliaceae, Poaceae, Asteraceae or Brassicaceae can be substituted in case of particular geographical location, including dissection and display of floral whorls, anther and ovary to show number of chambers, floral formula and floral diagrams. All these are in practical number 1. Practical number 1, which is coming under the major practical, which is experiment number 1. And another practical is there, practical number 2. Its name is study of osmosis by potato osmometer. Second practical is study of osmosis by potato osmometer. Clear? Now come back to the, so these two are 1 major, 1 minor practical of the term 1. Now come to the spotting part, that means study or observation of the following. In the term 1, first part is parts of a compound microscope. After that, specimens or slides or models and identification with reasons. Bacteria, oscillatoria, spirochaeta, rhizopas, mushroom, yeast, liverwort, moss, fern, pine cone. And monocotyledonous plant, 1 dicotyledonous plant and 1 lichen. Next, virtual specimens or slides or models and identifying features of amoeba, hydra, liver fluke, ascaris, leech, earthworm, prawn, silkworm, honeybee, snail, starfish, shark, rohu, frog, lizard, pigeon and rabbit. So from all these, just a minute. So from all these you will be getting only 3. Okay, for getting 3 marks you need to check all these specimens or slides or models. You need to identify them. You need to find out their main characteristics with their diagram. Clear? So this is all about the term 1. So 1 major practical, 1 minor practical and 3 spotting, and beside that all this you need to write it down in your practical copy. So this is your practical copy and 1 investigatory project. Now you are thinking, what about the project? So I will be giving you a particular project topic. You need to write something related with that topic and you need to submit it to me. And what are the main points you should write in your project copy? I will be giving you all those main points. Okay. So I will be giving it. Let's see if today is possible. I will be providing, or else I will be providing it in the next class. Okay. So project topic I will be providing you in the next class. So this is all about your term 1 syllabus. These are the topics. These are the different marks division. Everything I have discussed. Now let me know if you are having any further doubt. providing you a particular date, and within that you need to submit it. Okay, it's okay. So as you are saying, yes, everything. You need to write about all the practicals. I will be telling, nothing to worry. Yes, everything. Okay. I am there, na? Why are you worrying so much? I am telling you repeatedly. You will get to know everything. And you will not be facing any problems. Something on the Viva, why will I tell you? I will be asking some interesting questions and I will be checking how you can answer. Right? If, do you want me to do this? Whatever you are reading in the theory and in the practical, questions will be asked from all those. The theory part, that means ask easy question. Why? Why I will be asking you easy question? You are in class 11, na? Means when is the Viva? Now you have started to worry about the Viva. Still not started any practical, but you have started to worry about the Viva. Told you na, nothing to worry, I am there. I will be there. So that we can answer easily. No. I will be asking very hard questions. Okay, but if you follow my class, then every questions, every answers you will be knowing. That is why I am telling you. Please follow all the classes, both theory and practical classes. You will get the proper idea that whatever is in your theory class or in the practical class syllabus, the questions will be asked within the topics. Okay, the portions, that means before starting the practical, na, I will be telling you some information, some theoretical information related with the practical. So if you listen carefully, then you will be able to answer all the questions which will be asked in your Viva. Clear? I will be asking easy question, nothing to worry. As I know that you are doing the classes online, this time you are facing many problems, so I know. I will be there. No worries. I was just kidding, okay? Don't worry about Viva. I know all of you will be getting full marks in the Viva. Viva exam will be on the practical examination day. Okay? Ma'am, but weird. Yes. No need of giving me excuses. I know everything. Still, Viva is difficult. Ma'am, Viva seems to be. No, nothing to worry about the Viva. In the Viva, you will be able to give me all the answers, and whatever I am telling you in the theory class and whatever I will be going to tell in your practical classes, questions will be asked from that part. But if you don't follow the class, then you may face problem, because questions will be asked from the topics which has been taught in your class. So that is why I am telling you repeatedly, please join the class and follow the class, else I can't help you. If you follow all the classes, then every question will be, oh ma'am, that much of easy, why are you asking easy question, ask me hard question, we are prepared. That time you will be telling me this. Now you are saying this, and on the examination day, after the preparation of the full book, you will be telling me, itna easy ma'am, itna easy, why? Ask me some hard questions. You will be telling me. I didn't. Okay. So all total there will be 5 marks. All total project, practical, Viva. Okay. All total there will be 5 marks. Yes, I will ask you the questions, different questions. Everyone, please switch off your camera and microphone. I will be asking you, all of you, separately some questions which will be related with your theory and the practical part. Okay, and I know that all of you will be able to give me the answers because all of you are very good in biology. As whenever I am asking you the question in the theory class, you are able to say me the answer, na? Like this, nothing to worry. What will be done in the practical examination? The part which I have told you, that means I will be giving you one question. In the question, there everything will be mentioned that what you need to do. You need to do one major practical, one minor practical. You need to identify 3 spotting, and after that you need to submit project copy, practical copy, and you will be giving your viva. Then you may leave. That's all you need to do. No, no, not more than that. Within 5, everything is included. There is no such for any type of syllabus for the viva. You know na that for the viva, anyone can make syllabus, that you can say that this is the syllabus for the viva. But obviously questions will be asked from the theory portion and the practical portion of your class. Okay. So you will be able to answer all the questions. Now any other questions? If you are not having any question, then I will be showing you the biology practical box. Okay. So, okay, before opening, let me show you. Very good. So this is a practical box. Don't think that every box will look same. Don't think. It is just a sample. I have already 4 to 5 types of practical box. If you want, I can show you. Okay. So just this is a sample I am showing you. It may be blue colored. Most of the practical boxes you will be getting which is blue colored or the yellow colored. Okay. So don't go for the color. Just check the main instruments are there in the box or not. So after opening the box, it will look like this. Okay, it will look like this. After opening the box, you will get all these instruments. So what are those instruments? You need to check whether it is there in the box or not. Let me tell you one by one. So what will be your first practical? Your first practical will be your practical box. That means you need to write all the information in short about all the instruments which will be in your practical box. First one is a scalpel. Scalpel, scissors, forceps, needle, brass, magnifying glass, watch glass, slide, cover slip, blade. First scissor. So you can see that this type of scissor is needed. This type of small size scissor is needed, but if you want, you can keep a large size scissor also. Okay, and there will be both the types of the scissor, and in the box you will be getting this type of scissor also. Okay, but it is I think it will not be needed for your biology practical. So in the practical box you will be getting more things which will be not needed for your practical, but whenever you will be going to buy, you can't say that I don't need this one, so I will not take this. I need this one, I will take this. It is not possible. So just check whatever extra will be there, keep it. Okay, just check the essential things which we need are there or not. That's it. So these may be there, but we just need this type of small sized of scissor. Okay, now scalpel. Not this type, this bending type. Okay, I will be showing you the scalpel, just a minute. And next one forceps. Or it may be like be large size like this. That means one small, one large will be there. Clear? This is for holding something. You know that scissors is the for cutting something, and scalpels. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this one is forceps. Okay, forceps for holding something, and scalpel. This one. Clear? This one. After that, a brush is needed. If brush is not there in your box, then you need to buy it separately. A very fine brush. A very fine brush will be there. Then needle. You will be getting this type of needle. This type of needle. 0, 0. This type of needle. Okay, this type of needle. And you will be getting one magnifying glass. One magnifying glass. After that, you will be getting one watch glass like this. It may be large sized. Okay, watch glass. Then cover slip, you will get some boxes, though it is not if you are not having, no required to buy separately. Okay, but if it is there, you can check that there will be some cover slips within the box. I will be showing how it looks. And the last one is the blade. And another thing you need to keep, that is one slide. Though sometimes I will be providing you the slide. You know, you have seen, all of you have seen the glass slide. So these are the main things you need to keep it in your biology blocks. Okay, now let me show you how you have to write it down. Now, so this is the rough one, that is, you can see that what is the heading of the practical, that is components of the biology box. The heading will be components of the biology box, and after that you need to write down about all the components like scalpel, scissor, forceps, needles, brass, magnifying glass, watch glass, slide, cover slip, and you need to draw the diagrams of all these on the white page like this. Can you see the diagram properly? No, threaded one. Okay, so like this you can get the information from anywhere. Just you need to draw the diagram of all this, and you need to write down about all the instruments in short. In very short you need to write it down. Okay, so check if it is in your book also. You can write down the book from the book, or you can take the help from the internet. Okay, there you will be getting all the information. No. Everybody like the previous year, they have found it from the internet and they have drawn. Okay, so you need to try to do it by your own first. If you can't, then I will be sending. Okay, it is in your book also. So in the page number, whenever you will be buying the book, in the page number 8, you will be getting some diagrams are drawn, that is of the important instruments. Okay, just check it, and I have told you, just write down the names, what instruments you should write. You can take the information from the internet and you can write it down. Like, just write down the name like scalpel, scissor, forceps, needle, brass, magnifying glass, watch glass, slide, cover slip, plate. Okay, but if you want to add something else, you can add. But these are the things you need to write at least, and you need to draw this type of diagram of all these instruments like this. You will be getting these diagrams from everywhere. Okay, so this practical is very easy. So what will be the heading of the experiment number 1? Please make a heading like experiment number 1 and write down components of the biology box. Okay, and after writing, just give a short introduction that a biology box, what is biology box, that is a biology box is set up of various equipments required for performing biology practical. It contains the equipment for doing dissection, preparing slide, etc. And it contains several tools which are described below. By mentioning all this introduction, after that just mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and write down the name of all those instruments, and just write write down 1, 2, 3 lines about all those information, and draw a level diagram of all those instruments on the left side of the white page. Clear? Yes, only use blue and black pen, and for drawing the diagram you need to use the pencil. And don't forget to show the level diagram. So this is the slide. This is the slide which I wanted to show you. Heading is the components of the biology box. Components of the biology box. Components of the biology box. Clear? Anything else? Anyone? Components of the biology box. Okay, so in the next day I will be telling the function of all the instruments which are biology box once again. Okay, yes, start writing. Start writing. So today this is your homework. Please write down about the components of the biology box. This is your first practical. Write down about all those, and I will be telling once again the use or the function of different instruments which are used in the biology box. Okay, as today we are not having enough time, so please write down, and I have told you from where you can get the information. And in the next class let me know if you have faced any problem, please let me know. I will be solving all of your problems. Okay, so I am finishing my class here. In the next class we will be talking about the project topic, so don't miss the class, and we will be doing another new practical. So thank you and bye bye for today, and see you in the next class.